Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use AI in Adobe Illustrator. First of all you have to do is open Adobe Illustrator, click on create a new file, and from here you can select any of them, and I will click on create. Now we have a blank page. From here all you have to do is select the properties from here. On the properties tab you will see generate vectors beta. You have to click on it. Now this window will appear. From here you have some different options like scene, subject, and icon. For example, I will select red tomato. I will click on generate, click on agree. Now it is generating some vectors of red tomatoes. As you can see, it has created 3 different red tomatoes. I can click on it. Either I can move it from here. I can select some other vectors. For example, this is a 1 tomato. And then on the other hand, we have some other options. For example, if I select icon and type the same prompt and click on generate, let's see how the red tomato icon looks like. As you can see, the subject looks more realistic and the icon looks like an icon. You can select any icon from the list. For example, this looks more round. And from here you can modify it, you can do anything, and that's basically how you can use AI in Adobe Illustrator. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.